We're now at Mimosa Nursery, but it's a different location. Now we're gonna look for, oh, look at that guava. Dun, 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 dun. Free guava. Okay, we're done for the day. Time to, I don't know what to do because we're done so early. It's only 12:51, but we're done with our chores. What's next? We're going to check out another plant nursery, which is Carayon Nursery. It's very close over here. How many minutes, babe? 9 minutes or 10 minutes from here.
Turn left onto South
So, yeah. Nice church. California, California, we came here just to buy plants, and we really don't know where else to go. San Bernardino. We're here now. Where are we? Carayon Nursery. We're gonna check out what kind of plants or fruits they also have. Right here. Okay, right here. Right here, right here. Hello. Plants. They have avocado. Oh, I think there's more over there too. So we're gonna look. It's also a big place.
Donde is where?
Donde? So tired, OMG. We have to walk downhill and then uphill. But they don't have anything. It's more on landscape plant. I'm dying inside already. Oh my god, now we're going home. I need to put my seatbelt on. That's it, pansit. The neighborhood over here, they have lots of fruit trees also. But they don't even pay attention on them. We're going home. That's fun. Okay, we're gonna go home now. I'm tired. Ay, pek na malaki.